Bolingbrook Locksmith, located in Bolingbrook, is a swift, reliable, and trustworthy company for all of your locksmith needs. When you have an urgent situation, we realize you need an expert who will comprehend and identify the problem and find a solution as rapidly as possible. Our specialists are preferred number one in handling locksmith issues. Our professionals are ideal as they have plenty of experience to carry out any job at the most competitive prices, no matter how tricky the issue. We take pleasure in resolving it for you. We consider our job accomplished only when your problem is resolved and you are pleased. So call Bolingbrook Locksmith at 773-257-7594.